Hey guys, so today the hair that I'm using I got from the beauty supply store. It's the Model brand, and it's just a 5-piece set. It is this style right here, the perfect soft waves. So we're just gonna hot glue us a quick little unit together.
So here is Gladys, you guys. That's my canvas head name. Don't judge me. And she has a spandex cap on. And here I'm just showing you my little baby mini glue gun that I'm using to glue my tracks to the cap. I normally like to do my gluing in sections. You can, if you feel comfortable, gluing the whole strip at once and then just applying it. But for me, because I kind of like to make sure that it's set properly in the one place, and I'm a little accident prone, I will mess it up. I just prefer to go section by section and glue as I'm adding the track on. The glue is going to be hot, so just please be aware of that. Your fingers may get burned a little bit. But basically, I'm just taking a section at a time and adding it to the cap. You want to make sure that the ends of the beginning and end of your track are kind of curved upward a little bit, so that way you don't see that blunt track end. If your hair flies up, when you curve it, you'll just see the hair instead of the track end. So I'm just going all the way to the side, and I am going to cut the track once I get to the other side. It's the same exact thing back and forth, and I'm just going to keep on going up. I'm going to show you about 2 or 3 more tracks, and then it's going to speed up because I don't want this video to get repetitive or anything.
So you guys, this is what she's looking like so far. I'm about halfway through, and I just opened up the second little bundle of hair that it came with, which is where I want to be, at least for right here. I'm using some of my window lighting because but it's starting to get dark outside, so sorry about that. But it is really soft. I think it'll be a nice breezy kind of summer bob, which is what I want. I don't want anything really heavy or that's going to be really hot. But with the other two bundles, I'm going to try to fill in some of the spaces once I've finished closing off the top here. So we'll see you back in a bit. So you guys, here is where we're at. I had to take a little break because I had some errands to run, but I'm just working on the top part here. I have started cutting the pieces in smaller sections just to go around the side here, because I want kind of a deep side part. So I've just been going back and forth in a U shape and gluing the smaller pieces there. So I will check back in with you guys once we're all done. Now this 5-piece set does come with a closure piece. Not sure if I'm gonna really use it, but we'll see. So stay tuned. So here is the final look, guys. I think she came out really cute. If you see me looking over, I'm just looking in a mirror to make sure that I'm in focus. I decided to get dolled up because it's been a minute since I put on my makeup, and getting to go outside now is just a little bit better than being cooped up. I was going a little crazy. But I think it definitely came out very well. It's like an easy breezy wig, and it's really lightweight, which is what I was looking for, because the last wig that I was wearing, which you guys saw if you watched my wig transformation video. If you haven't, please go check that one out. It was nice, but it was just the hair was really thick on that wig, and your girl was getting hot. We ain't got time for that, okay? I'm too big to be out here with extra heat on me, okay? So I just wanted to do something a little quick, and I wanted something with waves because that wig doesn't hold curls as long, and so I wanted something like with beach waves, kind of curl wand beach waves. So I thought this would be really cute, and I only ended up using 3 of the bundles and then the little closure. I didn't use the 4th bundle that was in there like at all. So if I want to make it fuller, I certainly can. The glue sticks that I used were the Gorilla Glue sticks, and I'll include a picture of them here so you guys can see. They're really good as far as like adhesive stick wise. Like every time I watch a Dollar Tree DIY video, those are the glue sticks that people are always using. So if you happen to have a local Walmart, go check those out. I think it was like a 18 or 20 pack for like $5, and they're really long. And I have as you can see, I have like this small glue gun, and it fit in them perfectly. So but this is it. If you like this eye makeup, I actually got the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the collaboration with Jackie Aina. It is so cute, you guys. Like, I got it like 2 weeks ago. You can see that. And the colors are so vibrant. I love Wigglies. I cannot wait to use Zam and Soleil, but I didn't want to use them on this look. I used Wigglies, Pinker, and Ginger to this eye look, and so I think it came out like really cute. It kind of gave me fall vibes, which is not what I was going for, but I dig it. I mean, at this point, do we really know, you know, what season we're in really, other than it's hot right now? And if you hear a lot of squeaking, that is my dog Aladdin deciding to play with his toys while I'm in here recording. So now he stopped because I've mentioned his name, so he knows attention is on him. But yeah, other than that, guys, I think it was really cute. Hopefully, if you were not familiar with how to make a wig using hot glue guns, now you do. And there are a whole bunch of other videos, I'm sure, on YouTube if you need like a more in-depth, you know, video or footage of how to do that. I just felt like it was probably pretty simple after I showed you the first couple of tracks, so I didn't need to show the entire thing. But like I said, this is the Model hair, and I'll include the name of everything that I used in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other content. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, Glow Fam.